Alabama, and even parts of Florida are all bracing for impact. Good evening, I'm Jeff Vallon. The Category 1 storm has already slammed the Caribbean, killing at least 22 people there. Storm expert Steve Fundaro here now. And Steve, everything from storm surge to tornadoes is on the table, it looks like.
Yeah, absolutely. In that tight area where there's a lot of low-lying areas, the mouth of the Mississippi River, expected to see some significant life-threatening storm surge. And even portions, like you mentioned, of the Florida Panhandle, going to see some impacts from this system. It's slowly losing some of its organization, and it's moving very quickly through the Gulf of Mexico. This has actually been the fastest forward-moving hurricane on record in the Gulf of Mexico. It has been cruising to the north, so there's very little room left for it to strengthen, but it will remain strong as it heads towards the Louisiana and sort of the mouth of the Mississippi River of Mississippi. Later tonight, we can expect that to be a landfall, and then quickly sort of de-intensifying, I'll use the word de-intensifying, as it cruises up into the north, bringing plenty of rain for the Appalachian Mountains there. Expect to see some flash flooding even up here in portions of the Appalachian Mountain Range. That is into Monday. It's still a very quick moving system, and like I mentioned, it's been a very active hurricane season. Nate being the 9th consecutive named hurricane of the season. And like I mentioned before, it broke a record with how fast it's been moving, the fastest moving forward-moving hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. So that carrying all the momentum, making storm surge the biggest threat. But yes, bringing in some tornadoes wrapped in it as well. So definitely a swath of some impacts to be dealt with over the next couple of hours for those folks along the Gulf Coast. And talk about a active hurricane season. Here's another bit of some activity way out into the Atlantic. I just wanted to show this picture to show how active this season has been. It is a non-tropical system, likely to see some development, could get some tropical traits. We'll keep an eye on it, but no threats to land whatsoever. But how about here along the first coast? We are expected to see a few lingering effects from Nate. Things have been slowly improving this weekend, and it's just kind of feeling like a summertime, summer-like feel to the air this weekend. Jeff, we'll talk about what we can expect through the day tomorrow as we finish off the weekend.